Hi everyone, Varun this side from Megalol. In this video, I'll be showing you how to link a menu item to a recipe. So this is how your dashboard would look like once you upload your sales data. So if you go down, it will show you total sales value and sales with recipe. So if you see there's a difference here, that is because one of the menu item that you uploaded is not linked to any recipe. So now I'll show you how to link it. Go to sales, click menu items. If you see the out of 9 menu items, one is unlinked. Click here, then click here. Now crispy wings. First, you have to show this menu item is available in which all outlets. Select. Then what menu type is it? And which cost center is it from? And then select the recipe. And then you update. So now if you go to the dashboard and see, both the values are matching. So this is how you link your menu item to a recipe. Thank you.